Hi, welcome to this full course on entrepreneurship and small business enterprises. So let's get started. Welcome back. My name is Tulsiram and I'll be your instructor for this course. So, entrepreneurship and small business enterprises is a small course that I have developed to help academic students in their exams. This course is a theoretical course. We'll also be giving a lot of practical examples and real life situations which will give you a good idea of how entrepreneurship has helped businesses grow in a large way. The whole course is divided into 5 units. Each unit is further divided into different parts. Unit 1 is entrepreneurial perspective. Unit 2 is new venture creations. Unit 3 is management of MSME and SIC enterprises. Unit 4 is managing marketing and growth of enterprises. The last unit is strategic perspective in entrepreneurship. In this course, we will give you examples of each of these topics and how it will help you to become a better entrepreneur and start your own business. So, the textbook for this course is Entrepreneurship and Small Business Enterprises. This textbook is written by Purnima and it's a very good textbook if you are learning about entrepreneurship and small businesses. I will also be providing instructor notes for each unit in this course. The link for the textbook is also in the description. And all the notes of this course are also in the description. So I hope you are excited for this course. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.